Rain is a type of weather that happens when water falls from the sky. It is important for plants, animals, and people. When it rains, everything gets wet. People use umbrellas or raincoats to stay dry. Rain is made in the sky. Water from oceans, lakes, and rivers goes up into the sky as invisible water vapor. When the sky gets cold, the water vapor turns into tiny drops of water. These drops come together and make clouds. Sometimes the clouds get very heavy with water. Then the drops fall down as rain. Rain can be light like a drizzle or heavy like a downpour. Rain is good for plants because they drink the water from the ground. It helps flowers, trees, and crops grow. Farmers need rain for their plants to be healthy. Rainy days can be cozy. People like to stay inside and listen to the sound of raindrops falling on the roof. Some people like to play outside in the rain, jumping in puddles and feeling the cool water on their skin. After it rains, the air feels fresh and clean. Rain washes away dirt and dust from the streets. It also fills up rivers and lakes, so animals have water to drink. In some places, rain is very common, and people are used to it. In other places, rain is rare, and people get excited when it rains. No matter where you live, rain is an important part of nature.